What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some rechargeable batteries. But not just any rechargeable batteries. Okay, so the other day I was on Instagram, I was scrolling through and an advertisement came up from Amazon. One of those was these batteries and I was like, that's different. The problem with rechargeable batteries is that you need something like this to keep them going. This is one of the smaller ones, but a lot of times they're a lot bigger. But these, on the other hand, they don't require any kind of additional charger. They just require a USB port. So we've actually got AA and AAA. These are from a company called High Trends. They're both 1.5 volt, but the AA's are 1200 milliamp hour and the AAA's are 400 milliamp hour. They can fit in pretty much anything that requires batteries, like toys or controllers or keyboards and mice, stuff like that. So unlike alkaline batteries or nickel metal hydride batteries or nickel cadmium batteries, these don't build up any kind of a memory effect that would reduce the capacity over time, which is really good. These actually have 1,000 cycle limit, or they've been tested for 1,000 cycles, so that means basically you can use each one of these 1,000 times, which is great. Not only that, but they're also eco-friendly, they're recyclable. I'm actually gonna open up the AAA first. Oh, it comes with its own cable, cool. So it actually comes with a USB to 4 micro USB cables, so you can charge them all up at one time. Oh yeah, it's a little baby AAA. It's got a micro USB port right there on the side. Let's plug it in and see what happens. They come pre-charged, so you don't have to plug them in as soon as you get them, but I'm going to just for fun. Oh yeah, look at that. They all light up red. There's no instructions or anything, so I'm guessing it's probably gonna turn green or the red light's gonna turn off once they're done charging, but pretty cool. All right, so I got a keyboard. I'm just gonna try it out real quick. I will say, and they're extremely lightweight. They're definitely lighter than regular batteries. These are really, really light. All right. Yep, I got power. Now for the AA's, these ones look really cool. I like the way these are designed. They look like regular AA batteries, right? No, they're not. So these actually have a little bit of a different design than the AAA batteries. Instead of a micro USB port on it, you just lift up the top and you have a USB. Right there, just a standard USB. Isn't that cool? That's really clever because you could probably find uses for this for sure, where it would be a lot more convenient to use a USB port rather than like a charger like one of these. Cool. It's as simple as that. You leave them plugged in and when you're done, you put the cap right back on it. And then there you go. And again, these are way lighter than regular batteries. Yeah, like 1/3 of the weight of a regular battery. Well, there we go. Powered up, fully charged. Yeah, it's hard to see, it's pretty bright. Okay, cool, they work. But yeah, very cool. I'm glad Amazon suggested them to me. They know me so well. I mean, you gotta have batteries for stuff, right? So might as well get some cool ones. And they're only 20 bucks. What, a regular pack of, 4-pack of batteries is like maybe $5 or something. You're only gonna get one use out of those. Here's a 4-pack for $20 and you're gonna get 1,000 cycles out of each one of these batteries. If you're looking for some rechargeable batteries, take a look at these, check them out. You might actually dig them. I mean, it beats having one of these or one, even bigger. And on top of that, you need a regular outlet to charge them anyway. There's USB everywhere, so you're not gonna have a problem charging these things. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Go check it out for yourself. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.